Bia Kamal, Nuer Language School. Welcome to Nuer Language School. Man banning agent wale banning each commercial adjective. Adjectives malode banlode banjangach katakon carried but tibukon ko nyokum wikon pingwa samo tiban unang ka Thok Nath. Adjective lud neri tinyo ta dora ta and te dor kaje genial adjective sonne man jag no mo ko ba jangach ki ta shinga dor ta dan te kaje shalat gwasme ka tugun gijenone we can use adjectives to describe people, places and things. Or use con adjective gwadme la menyut kon ran people chitkana places kagwat kana things malod luranangwane things wane you the kono name eneme and you the kono ran tene you the kono gwadme jen gwadme you the kono ngwane kantine ne akina mluran name cha kon chumoy keshat gwasme we got a small car malode wode luno tene katurbil metot we got a small car tene katurbil metot a small more adjective luno de lunne metot genial small so ko chawla no tene katurbil metot cha turbil cha jo ngaji no meted and metot genial adjective new the ta namoka genial adjective we got a small car malode tene katurbil metot tokon kamudien bogwadame namene chelar wodi I saw a white bird mulunodi and shadid me bornen white me bor new the tant no mokaje I saw a white bird muludengu and shadid me bornen de kon din mbor de kon chunen gwasama new dodi I saw a white bird mulunodi and shadid me bornen atokon kanamane this book isn't very whole mulunodi book me she doang along mugnang kona she doang along de kona larnono this book isn't very whole mulunodi book me she doang along mi jenu gujo book montam dong de gujeno mishidong kwalaro de book ame she doang along alo kanadong this book isn't very whole this book is not very whole de larno ba this book isn't very whole ki book ame she doang along muradian gwasame de konjek my brothers are short de yenen ka turo gwada mo nyotono de damare sheka my brothers are short melodeng damare sheka short emitted emichek chairman channel nen yalen gwada mo lunode lunmi midwa holla doang ala hol adjective ko nyo de no mo chetere chedong chi motot chi yang my brother are short point mutually sheka ki mi check lunodi na mo gen sheka cha identify ki cha nyot damari sheka dinen gwadame damari sheka my brothers are short maybe kon gwadame nyok we got 3 black cats sangulu damo atine ke nyawna dang diok tichar tine ke nyawno dang diok tichar nyawno ti ke nyaw dang diok ti ke nyaw dang diok tichar black ke check michar a adjective tine ke nyawno dang diok tichar meaning we have got 3 black cats or you can just simply say it, we got 3 black cats tine ke nyawni dang diok tichar let's come down here chana ben pingwadame she watched some old films. All adjective already chekorage kwide. Jen che film ni te wal tan language. Jen che film ni te wal tan language. Ke jen che video ni te wal tan language. Film ka tong na dong teleje chot ke de la jen che tour ni tewal tan language. She watched some whole film. Whole ajalango ajala adjective gwasame. Amlunodi Muduang la tewal. Michidong tewal ki whole. Yen che film ni tewal tan language. Mid go kontong no de kon ni de kon gar gwadam ko bukole take lot ko kon. Wana we gwadam. Dien tu de yen gwadam. Mudu de man. I got a big blue ball. La tournament. I got a big blue ball. Big did blue le lam ted le lam yel. And take kure me yel me did. And on de kon lar no. And take kure me yel me did. And take kure me did no be le me yel. And take kure me yel me did. Jenen yen gwad ball lodinu kure blue me yel big me did Thok Nath me did de kono garpin gwadam lunungu lodinu me did. Okay, let's come down here. That building is tall and gray. That building is tall and gray. Dwelamo bara ka emelo. Tall me bar gray emelo de kon chol lo ko Thok Nath lam shiran je lo chale gray kimium to lo a gray air duel mo bara ka emelo and duel nen kon money tall me bar gray e biel melo no di that building is tall and gray duel mo bara ka emelo jen chwade edi chwale adjective ko cha kon yo tan duel mo take je mu kon pingwaza me bana bijego to commercial an only child mulu no gat kel karwada dienen ka turna me mulu no di gat kel karwada an only child da kon kabono we got on well mulu no di nong nero ke wone gwa kel we get on well nong nero ke wone gwa kel dire use no name to kon ke older sister nyimar indeed nenen pingwada me nyimar indeed to kon ke younger sister muluno nyimar and taught younger sister nyimar and taught to kon ke sharing and playing sharing nyuak gwadam de kon gore nyuak no la playing point de hangar sharing nyuak la nyuak ngwani ki nyuak ngar sharing and playing nyuak ngar. Right now chane adjective chane jengi kan titine bi goro bi nywane ko kien ko bi Thok Nath du bi jako bala mungwa ki bi to ko ayne du ba bi nyok mere be ja en bana nyo jekke ngi da dien bi atemal